Dang, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see from this angle now. Whoa. Oh wow, you got all these Chinese characters lighting up on the sides there. Didn't expect that. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, now it's like 10:30 at night and still lots of people out. Actually, it's more than I imagine. Lots of families too. Still that same thing over there. My hotel is up there, up on the 9th floor of that looking office building thing. Actually, a lot of families are out. Really surprised. I kind of thought it would be more like, I don't know, but it's like families and young people and tourists, all Chinese tourists, of course. And I think I saw some performance stuff here earlier. Nothing right now. We're gonna walk around and check it out, but I think this is basically you did have this view already, but this is like maybe 2.5 hours later. The other time was maybe around 8 o'clock. And yeah, there's like families everywhere. There's dogs. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's lots of alleys. All those alleys are still open, all the ones with the food. So I think a lot of people, they like to eat the food down the alleys and socialize through food. So, okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now. So a giant apple. There's like people hanging out there with a giant apple in the like apple box. Kind of cool. .5G, hello. It's usually do a lot of big promotions here. I guess there's a lot of access to people who will see it. So there's another 5G. Hello, 5G. So, more cool stuff. These buildings are pretty cool. I can see why this is such a popular place. Okay, we're gonna just keep walking around, and there's kind of this art building I'm trying to get to. I think I saw it and try to find the way. Let's see if I can do it. This is the building I wanted to see, and I think from the other angle it looks really cool. So we're gonna walk over there in a minute. All those buildings though. Dang. So I think I definitely want to get over on this other side so I can get the best view of this. It's kind of a cobblestone street. Dang, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see from this angle now. Whoa. Oh wow, you got all these Chinese characters lighting up on the sides there. Didn't expect that. Okay. So just gonna walk down a little bit and then try to get a good view. Gotta go down a little bit. This guy's mesmerized like I am. Oh, okay. We'll look at it again in a minute. It's gonna try to get to the right angle. And I think where these people are right here is going to be the right angle. It's the KTV. Look at that. Oh. Let's see if we can go down a little bit more. The hard thing is the lighting, so you have to get to the right lighting. And there it is right there. Whoa. Okay, that should probably conclude Chongqing. That looks really cool. streets. Okay. There we go. Okay, and we have a late night food court. It's actually like midnight. Things are still going. This is definitely a culinary city. They eat a lot of Sichuan food. I don't see many non-Sichuan food items, but it seems like everybody goes out late and enjoys some good popsicles there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. See, I don't really see, like, people aren't really drinking, but they're eating a lot. So it seems like they socialize around food. It seems like this whole city is kind of built around socializing around food. It's like food everywhere. It's just like little, but people aren't big or heavy or anything like that. So, okay. So I'll probably conclude. This is about midnight already, so I don't think I'm going to use the camera anymore. Could be wrong though. Okay, we'll conclude Chongqing right here. So, hope you enjoyed Chongqing. This is, tomorrow I'm probably going to go to Chengdu. This is my plan anyways. So I hope you enjoyed the Chongqing.